This lecture is really important because in this lecture I am going to provide you a SEO shortcut that can help you rank on top of Google much faster and much easier. Why? Because I was facing the same problem, but this tool can solve that problem that I was facing, and I think that is a major problem for newbie bloggers and SEO experts as well, and that is the process of SEO. But this tool that I am going to share in this lecture will solve all your problems, because this is the tool, as its name suggests, the SEO checklist. It would give you the complete SEO checklist, so you don't have to worry about any SEO points that you are missing or anything you are missing, because it would provide you the complete step-by-step process with which you can just rank your website. This is basically a credible tool. You can also check its credibility, and this is you can just search on Google for SEO checklist, or just go to seobuddy.com/seo-checklist, and here is this tool, and you can see all the stats here, the testimonials and all that stuff. And to grab this tool, you just have to click on buy now. It's just $97, and it would give you let me just first of all clear it and just show you the pricing of this tool. So here you can see 102 point based SEO checklist. Then you have SEO Buddy SOP collection. Then you have SEO checklist ebook, and also SEO checklist Trello board. So you can also use it on a Trello board, and you also have a 52-week content planner and Trello board, and 1 month startup plan on SEO Buddy and content distribution checklist. You have a lot of the things, but in this lecture we just need this SEO checklist. Yes, SOP collection and the Trello, SEO checklist Trello board can also be helpful, and ebook can also be helpful. But in this lecture, we are only going to talk about the SEO checklist, and it's worth it. Other gifts are amazing, but within $97 when you're getting a complete checklist, that's amazing. So just add your email and just click on continue. Then you have to select these things and enter the postcode, and then click on continue. Then you can pay by card, PayPal, or GPay. And after you have paid, because I already have the SEO checklist, so I'll just go to seobuddy.com, which is its main website, and I have bought it from here. And it has also a product which is link chest, and I have also added it in the course, because that is also an amazing product for off page SEO. And this product is great for on page, off page, all both. Okay, so I'll just click on sign in. You can start a 7-day free trial on SEO Buddy as well, but I'll click on sign in to log into my account. So here I would just log in with Google, because I have signed in with my Google account. So I'll just click on sign in with Google and Khadeen Akbar, my main email. And after signing in with it, will be directed to the dashboard where you can control everything. So this is the main dashboard, and then and nothing else would work for you except this SEO checklist. So just go to SEO checklist, and there you can manage each and everything. Here you can see we have complete checklist. We can download it in the form of Google Sheet, PDF, Trello board, ebook, Trello and we have this content strategy and content distribution list as well. So we can use it as well. And also here from settings, you can add more members. You can add more members to your website, to your dashboard, so that you can assign the task to them. Let's say if this is the task I want to assign to someone, I'll just click there, and from here I can assign a user. I'll just click on settings, and here from settings you can just manage the domains, you can manage the search engines, and you can also manage the team members. And from here you can add a new member. Here you'll have to add the member's email. Then from here you can select from existing team, employee, content writer, or project owner. You can select the role, and then you can add a member to your team. So the member is added now, and from this SEO checklist you can assign this task to that member, and this member would do the task for you. Now here we are on SEO checklist, and we can also download it in the form of Google Sheets. And here you can see we have the complete Google Sheet, and we have a complete SEO checklist week, which with which you can just rank your website on the top. It would give you from SEO the foundation, then SEO user experience, then performance, and blah blah blah. So it would give you the complete guide on how to do each and everything. And let me just make it contracted. So here you can see first one is the foundation, then user experience, then performance, technical SEO, content, on page SEO, off page SEO as well, and then local SEO, and then how you can just set up your first WordPress website. And as I told you, you can download it in the other forms. And let's say the foundation, first of all you will have to install the tag manager, and then analytics WordPress plugin and all those kind of things, then connect and add search to Google Analytics. So you have to do all these things, and from here you can just change the status. First of all, let's say the tag manager, first of all I'll say it is in progress. Okay, I'll make it in progress, and I can make it abundant, or like I can change its status as well. Let's say in progress, it's in progress right now. And then the team, the SEO buddy team, has also told about how difficult it is a medium difficulty, and then impact, how much impact it has on your website, and then the cost, and also the tools, and then what is the SOP. And here is the complete SOP for it, how you can install the Google Tag Manager into your website. So you have the complete guide as well, and that is the best part of this tool. And then from here you can assign it to your other team members. This is the team member I created, so you can assign this task to other team members. They will be notified, and they will have to perform this task, and then complete it. Then you have a lot other tasks, and you have to do all those tasks for yourself. And also you have the SOPs, you have the complete guides. So you can just go to the link, and you will get the complete guide with which you can do all that stuff. Like here, for how to configure HTTPs and get a free SSL for your GCP website using Cloudflare. So you have the complete set of SOPs, you have the complete guide that how to do the things and why to do the things and all that stuff. So you don't have to worry about each and everything, because you have the complete guide, you have the tools, you have the cost, you have the difficulty, you have the impact, and all these, and all these things are trackable. So you can track these things as well. So that's how you can just use this tool. You can use this tool in dashboard, or you can use this tool in Google Sheets, and you have all the details here. And you can also change the status from here. And I think that's a great tool to be used, and it can help you a lot in setting up your website. It can help you make your website stand out. And after that, if you will be doing the off-page SEO using the other tool, it would be a lot helpful for you. So that was all about this lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. See you in next lecture.